personally. Ever since we did our tour last year, from Qatar to Malaysia to the US and Canada, all the way to Australia and up to this next leg, she has been spearheading our whole tour, and she has been directing every show, and she has been making sure the whole team arrives here in one piece, safe, and she is one of our greatest blessings, and she is celebrating her birthday today. Ladies and gentlemen, please help us greet our director and one of her bosses in our Cornerstone Management, Cynthia Roque. A happy birthday!